back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Naica. In today's vlog, I will be pampering myself for my birthday. That will include me getting my lashes done, hair done, nails done, etc. If you're interested, keep on watching. So today is November 4th. My birthday is on November 9th. And today I'll be getting my eyebrows waxed and tinted today. As you can see, they need to be done. It's been a while since I've gotten them waxed, but it is currently 11:18 and my appointment is at 11:30. So right now I'm just waiting until it's time for my appointment. So y'all, I am back. This is my first time getting my eyebrows tinted, so I'm trying to get used to it, but I feel like she did a good job. Her at is Brows by Lynn. I'll be sure to leave her information below and on the screen. But yeah, that's all I'm doing today. I believe I'm gonna just go home. I'll see you guys on Saturday, which will be the 6th, as I get these done. They need help, for real. But see you guys Saturday. Hey y'all, today is Saturday, November 6th, and I'm now about to head in to my nail appointment, and I'll try to record as much as I can. See y'all then. Okay y'all, so I'm just now getting home from my nail appointment, but this is how my nails look. I'll try to get a better picture and insert it. And these are my toes. So I got the same color on both my hands and my toes. That's all I'm doing for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna be getting my hair done around 1, and I'll see you then. Hey y'all, today is Monday, November 8th, and I know yesterday I forgot to show you how my hair looked after. I'll be sure to insert a clip. But my appointment actually ended up getting canceled, so I got so frustrated and I was just so over it. But luckily someone came through. Once again, I'll be sure to leave her at in the description and on the screen. But yeah, today I'm gonna be getting my lashes done, and I'll see y'all then. So that didn't go as planned, and I had to cancel my appointment. This always happens on, stuff around occasions like this, I guess. It always happens. But it's okay. I'm saving some money, I guess. But yeah, I might, and this is a big might, I might get lash strips, or I might just say it is what it is. But I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hey y'all, today is November 9th, and guess what today is? My birthday. So I'm finally 19, and I did end up not getting the lashes, but it's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, today's vlog, and thank you to everyone for the birthday wishes. Please bear with me with the vlog. You know, I'm still learning, but if you guys would like me to do more videos like this, please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.